Ta-da! Now I'm beautiful.
Well, I think this makeup look is quite wearable, except that I wouldn't do the under eye situation there. Maybe I'd use red instead of black, but... Go, Cristine! Hello everyone, it's me Avon here, and today I decided to follow one of my favorite YouTubers, simply Nailogical, aka Cristine without a H. Starbucks, please get it right at least once or twice or whatever, the rest of your life. So, I love her. She's flat grade awesome. Everyone knows that. 4.9 million plus people know that. But neither am I a nail artist or MUA makeup artist, so I'm just gonna try my best to follow a nail artist does a makeup tutorial. Let's get right to it. I'm so excited. All right, Cristine, take it away.
Hi, hello. I'm Cristine, and I do my nails normally on this channel. You guys have been asking how I did my fabulous makeup.
Oh God.
So let me show you how I make my face all on fleek and such. I'm gonna be really good at this. I think I'm gonna need a new name. Simply Makeup Logical. Simply Face Logical. Simply Makeup Sexual. That one's probably a little intense. Cue the new intro.
What am I doing today?
Makeup porn, yes! Am I supposed to do my face makeup first or my eye makeup first? No one ever explains this. Color correcting, because my face is always wrong. It doesn't come with a brush.
I need to color correct too.
So first, we're gonna go in with green and put it on things that are red. So you got Christmas. Oh no, that's not red. Oh shit. Stop it. Ooh, this is kind of fun. I think you're supposed to blend this shit. I only bought this sponge thing because the internet told me to. To me, it just looks like a gradient sponge, except weird shaped and pink. Wait a second. Why don't people just use makeup sponges on their face? Like these! There is something someone is not telling us. Conceal.
Wait, Cristine, wait. I need to do my blending. So I'm gonna color correct. Obviously, I'm not the same color as Cristine. So she's she's using green, I'm using red. Now I look like blood clotted all over my face. Yay! That was exactly what I was going for. Achieved it. Nailed it. Then I'm gonna go for concealer. Concealer, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna straight up say I might is a very subtle word. I don't have anything that she has, probably. I don't remember exactly. I've watched this video exactly on May 7th, 2016. 2 years ago, and I really don't know if I have all the products that she has, so all my products will be just listed down below. Go check it out.
It's like a dot.
She does dots, so I can't do dots. I'm sorry.
Put some cement on her face. I use this color
all the
time.
Blend, 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 blend. We'll blend the whole day.
Foundation
Wendy.
Put some cement on her face. I use this color all the time, so I know that it matches my skin tone perfectly. I want to see people dropping some kind of magical oil into their brush.
Why should Darcy do it on the brush?
Sure, why not? Can I say I'm a pro?
I know how to do this.
So I'm just going in with what I think is my foundation brush, and it's a Morphe brush, and you can get a discount of 10% with my code SimplyFace. Just kidding, these brushes aren't from Morphe. Oh, I just realized I'm covering up all my freckles. I'm not sure how I feel about this.
I love your freckles.
And I'm smiling. I don't see that every day. I bought these two different contouring palettes.
Wait for contour. I'm gonna blendy. Is that what she said? Blendy. My face. I usually prefer a different stippling brush, but okay, I can work with this.
Palettes, because I didn't understand why you needed both, but someone told me to get both. How do I know what
I don't
shape
have
my
a
face
contour
is?
palette.
It's not in here. Just gonna paint it on like a trail of poop. Hey.
Isn't that too dark?
They say to contour in the hollows of your cheeks. Oh god, imagine they were saying put hollow on your cheeks. That would be way better. Next we gotta contour that double chin because of all those salads that I eat. Do I have a big nose? Should I even be contouring my nose? I don't understand how this works. How am I supposed to clean the brush? What if you want to highlight your entire face? How is it so dark and it's in the fair skin palette? Here's a fun fact for you. When I was in high school, I used to work at Shoppers Drug Mart as a cosmetician. That's like the makeup people who greet you when you come to buy lottery tickets. Those are only in Canada, so there's an 80% chance you have no idea what I'm talking about. But Drake worked at Shoppers Drug Mart, so you might know it because of that. I also danced in the middle of the aisles. I'm just gonna go ahead
Wait for me.
and bake my face.
Don't bake without me. I want to bake with you. I am a disgrace. I feel so bad. Cristine, if you're watching this, I didn't mean for this to end up this way because I think you really did a great job. I'm just feel happy that you're better than me because I suck at this. If I can't even follow a makeup tutorial, how do I aspire to take this channel even as farthest? I don't know. It made sense in my brain. I am going to press powder my palette called Face.
This is because they baked a cake on
Oh,
the face.
she's throwing shade.
Now. Taking the darker one.
Wait for me, don't contour.
I'm snorting makeup powder. Just looks like dirt on my face. Oh, that's weird. Undo. There's powder everywhere. Ridiculous. Now let's add some blush to the apples of my cheeks, or the oranges of my cheeks, or all the fruits of my cheeks. Time to highlight. Which color should I use? Is this the highlighter? Never open boxes with your nails. But I really wanted to get the Kryolan. What?
Ooh, my highlighter's popping.
But I couldn't find it. It was sold out everywhere and it doesn't even ship to Canada. It will never be beautiful. Am I the
No, you're beautiful.
Why do people highlight this? Weird. There's some things that long nails are not good for. Oh, why is it white? Time to draw on some eyebrows. I never felt self-conscious about my eyebrows.
My eyebrows.
Instagram. Is that too much? I'm gonna comb you, little caterpillar.
Wait for me.
This just looks...
Eyebrows done.
It's weird. I really don't get this part, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Look who's smoking now.
I'm gonna follow her. This video is about following her, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Follow Cristine, everybody. So we'll all end up in a holosexual heaven where all things nice and beautiful come to life. Be it unicorns, Pegasus, and all other beautiful things. I don't know what I just said, but fine, that she did, and then she went with a black shade onto the eye, so I'm gonna do that. In the middle of it, I'm gonna dab with Cristine's famous brush that even normal people like me use. This one, which is totally dirty, but this one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Not bad. It looks similar to Cristine. I followed you. I like how she did, but with another. Please don't wear eyelashes.
It's like a coffin for my makeup funeral. You're supposed to.
Because I really cannot master wearing false lashes.
I
Please
am
don't.
terrified. I've never worn fake
Oh,
lashes
God.
before.
She
I
hasn't.
don't think that's right. I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Oh God, even don't tell me I have to
That
try.
happened because there's Iris Beauty ones that all the girls on Instagram are using. They're too big for me. Do these come in different sizes? Oh damn.
Do I have to try them? We're gonna skip the eyelashes because I can't
All
find.
these makeup bitches boss them all. Did I say
Mom, please
KKK?
wait, because I can't find any of the things. So skipping eyelashes, moving on to mascara.
I know my My lips are really big and all. Try not to be jealous of how blessed I am at birth. You may think I have small lips, but really, that's just because you're so used to seeing big ass lips on YouTube and all over Instagram. Someone once asked me where my upper lip went. Holy shit, it's weird. Someone else once asked me what was wrong with my teeth. Oh, it's on my teeth.
Wait for me.
I think we're done. Ta-da! Now I'm beautiful. Oh, my hair is like out of the 90s.
Oh god, my hair is gonna be
Here's
worse
the before
too.
and after. Oops, I mixed them up. Notice that beauty bloggers never smile in their final after shot. Why is that? They look so sad. Probably because they didn't use any Holo on their face. I couldn't find any Holo makeup to put on my face. Does anyone sell that? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!
Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!